welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. If you guys are new here or you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the little bell so you're notified when I have new uploads. Also, give this video a thumbs up for me. Today I'm going to be going over a curling wand by Duvolle.com, so if you guys want to see that and how I did these nice loose curls, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so to start off this unboxing, this is what the packaging looks like for the Duvolle. This is the curling one. This is the 32mm, yes, the Pro Series 32mm curling wand. I wanted to get kind of a bigger one just so I could have looser curls. So let's open the box. So of course comes with a little manual, and the wand, and then a glove, which I don't ever use the glove because it seems to make my hair really staticky, so I don't like to use the wand. But it is a 5 full finger glove to protect your hand. And this is really nice. It's got like a kind of a rubbery feel for the handle so it won't slip. Let's take that off. This is what it looks like. So we've got a power switch here, and then up and down on heat, and it looks like a little window that's going to tell us probably what degree it's at. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and we're going to curl my hair with it. This brand, they have a lot of they have skincare, hair straighteners, curling wands, accessories, some cosmetics. I do have a coupon code for you guys. I'm giving you a coupon code for 70% off. The coupon code is JustMells. This exact curling wand is $115, so you're gonna get 70% off using the coupon code JustMells. They also have smaller curling wands. They have hair straighteners, like I was saying. So this coupon code, let me just make sure, this coupon code is off of all the styling tools and the Radiance Spin Care System. So it's like to exfoliate and clean your skin, one of the like electronic ones. So that is what the coupon code will work for on the site. That's amazing. 70% off? That's crazy. I'm so excited to be able to give you guys that. I'm just crazy excited. Okay, so I just plugged it in. I'm gonna go ahead, it says off. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, gotta hold it down for just a second. And then it shows the temperature. And then this one is the up temperature. Don't mind my nails, guys, I really need to do them. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up because my hair does not take a curl unless it's at the hottest temperature. So it looks like it goes all the way up to 430 degrees, and it goes down to 260. So I'm sure it will like beep or something telling us it's up to temperature, but I'm going to set it to 430 degrees if you guys can see that. I already feel it's getting hot. Okay, so, and I also like that it has this little like stand right here so it doesn't rest down on the tip, and I like that the tip is covered so I don't grab it and burn myself. So this is really cool to just set it on the table and it stays right there. They also went ahead and sent me this Duvolle brush. Let me take it out of this packaging. This is a brush good for wet or dry hair. It's pink. It's just what it looks like. This is really good for extensions as well. I actually have one from Foxy Locks, so it's nice to have a second one. It's already to 408 degrees, so it's heating up really fast, which is good for me because I hate sitting there waiting for my curling wand to heat up. So, oh, okay. I didn't hear it beep or anything, but it did turn blue saying that it is up to temperature. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my hair with this and see how it does. I usually just kind of split my hair down the center of the back. Don't mind this mess. I know it's a mess. I actually just dyed my own hair to get it the darker on top, this little ombre. It's not perfect, so don't look too closely. but it now matches my Foxy Locks extensions, which are the vanilla frappe color, and it matches them perfectly. So I'm super excited about that. So I split it down the center, and then I'm just gonna take a little chunk from the back and go ahead and wrap around. I'm excited to see this because this is the 32 millimeter, and I'm used to like a 25, I believe. So I'm interested to see this nice, like a softer, looser curl. And I like the handle, how it's that, I don't know what material that is when it's like kind of rubbery. It's not a slippery plastic, it's kind of got like a rubbery feel to it. Makes it a little easier to hold on to. So there is my nice loose curl. Nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Sometimes I alternate going backwards towards the back of the head or turning the wand forwards. So this one I'm gonna go ahead and do forward. I just kind of go whichever way. There's no set forward or backward curl. I just kind of mix them all up. Actually probably do more backwards than I do forward. But that's a nice loose curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side. Okay, so now that I finished that side, I kind of go through and just look like this one. I don't think I got curled very well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one again. Just make sure that they're all pretty much the same curl. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and like finger through these because I don't want too like a tight curl like I was saying. So this is nice because they just kind of fall out a little bit. This one I'm going to curl a little bit more. I just kind of pick and choose the ones that I want a little bit more curl, because if they're a little too straight, I don't like that. And I only curl my hair like every 2 or 3 days, so if I have too loose of a curl on the first day, then I'm going to have to curl it on that second day. I like to not use heat as often, so that's really pretty. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side. Alright, now that that side's done, I'm going to do the same thing and just kind of finger through the curls. I really like this. I think I like the 32 millimeter a lot. It's a nice soft kind of curl, and I like that a lot. Let's see if we can see the back. So just a little bit more about this company. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Like I said, my coupon code JustSmells is going to get you 70% off of the price, which on this exact one was $115. The Pro Series is this curling wand. They have a lot of different ones. They have some with hot pink handles. They have one that has 3 different sizes that you like unlock and put 3 different size wands on there. That's really cool. So they have a lot of fun stuff to look at on that website. And I think this is an amazing wand. I'm really happy to have a bigger wand because all my others, like I said, are like a 25, I believe. So I'm happy to have this one with a big loose curl. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to look down in the description box for all the details, the website, the coupon code, everything will be down in there for you, so make sure you check that out. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.